Hey everybody, welcome back. We're going to talk about 5.8 today, which is integration with tables. Notice I got this little bracket there telling it we're not going to do any of this online. We absolutely have to do this face to face because it's a little tricky, but we take quite a bit of time to go over it. It is tricky. But what I am going to show you is how to use a CAS. Now, a CAS is just what's referred to as a computer algebra system. Software like Maple, Mathematica. Wolfram Alpha, I think, has Mathematica nested in it. It may have Maple in there. But those are referred to as computer algebra systems. Basically what it says is use your computer to figure out what to integrate a function. So let's take our good old friend, our non-analytically solvable integral of e to the x squared, and let's go from 0 to 2. Okay? There's no way that I can take the antiderivative of this thing analytically. It's impossible. I can use numerical methods, which we'll play with in the next section, but what if I want to figure out the exact value of it? Well, I'll show you how. I'm going to use my computer. Ooh, look at that. I kind of have it already set up, but ooh, I let the cat out of the bag. So, you ready? There's two ways to do this. I'm going to go to Math. And I don't know if you remember from when I showed you how to take numerical derivatives using your calculator before. If I scroll down, notice right here, whoa, I don't know what just happened. It got loose. Sorry. You notice right here, there's a numerical derivative. Remember how we use that? Well, guess what? There's an F, N, I, and T. So if you put a gun to your head in the park, you'd probably guess that that was going to be used to figure out a numerical integral. Hit enter, and if you have the new operating system, this thing pops up. If you don't have it, you might want to download it. Otherwise, I can show you how to put it in your calculator. Okay? This is the integral from 0 to 2. I'm going to cruise down here. I'm going to go second, e to the, and then I'm going to go x squared. I'm going to cruise over here. I'm going to stick an x in, and I'm going to hit enter. There we go. This is approximately equal to, it's not going to be exactly equal to, but 16.453. Now, there's another way to do it. Look at this. I got some crazy function going on here. Let's clear that out. Let's put in, second, e to the, and I'm going to stick in x squared. That's my function, and I'm going to get out of there. And since I'm only worrying about this thing from 0 to 2, let's see what happens, shall we? Let's put it in. Let's put it in Zoom 6, which is our standard, and see if we can appreciate what's going on here. Oh yeah, look at that thing. It blows up pretty quick. Now I might run into trouble. Let's see if I can do this one really quickly. It may give me trouble because my function leaves my window, but let's check. If I go second, calc. Now look at the screen. Do you see something that might be able to give us an integral? You got it right. It's down here. Oh, I punched it way too many times. Now it's getting mad at me again. I gotta calm down. Too much caffeine at lunch, guys. I'm gonna hit enter. So it's asked me for my lower limit. My lower limit's going to be 0. I hit enter. My upper limit's going to be 2. I'm going to hit enter. Oh, it gave it to me. Outstanding. And look at that. It's exactly the same value. Okay? So, literally, ladies and gentlemen, that's it as far as being able to use your own personal CAS. Your computer, your calculator runs on a CAS. All right? So, we'll play with these in class tomorrow. We'll also deal with integration by tables, which is pretty darn tricky. You can use this for any integral. Remember, I always tell you, I want you to be able to check your work. I want you to play with your work. So, or as far as making sure that your answers are correct. So use them anytime you want. Of course, if it can be solved analytically and I ask for that, then you're going to have to show me how to do it analytically. Okay? Enjoy, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.